How to conduct a competitor analysis tool for SEO, a step-by-step guide. This video will be all about conducting a competitor analysis. You'll learn everything step-by-step using a competitor analysis tool to uncover valuable insights, refine strategies, and boost your website's performance in search engine rankings. Watch the video till the end to completely understand competitor analysis. What exactly is an SEO competitor analysis? SEO competitor analysis involves studying your competitors' strategies to understand how they generate search traffic that your business may be missing out on. By analyzing their high-ranking websites and niche presence, you can gain insights into their SEO tactics, identify opportunities, and enhance your own website's performance to surpass them in SERPs. The importance to do SEO competitor analysis. Performing an SEO competitor analysis provides valuable insights into successful strategies employed by higher-ranking competitors. By identifying areas of improvement and adapting to the evolving SEO landscape, you can enhance your own SEO efforts and stay competitive. How to find your SEO competitors and analyze them. To find and analyze your SEO competitors, you can identify keywords, research search engine results, analyze on-page SEO factors, evaluate backlink profiles, assess content strategy, monitor social media presence, and track ranking and traffic data. Use tools like Ahrefs, Moz, SEMrush, and Google Analytics for comprehensive competitor analysis. 5 best competitor analysis tools you need to use. Ahrefs. It's a comprehensive SEO tool that offers insights into competitors' online strategies. It allows users to explore and compare organic search rankings, backlinks, keywords, and content performance, empowering businesses to optimize their SEO strategies and gain a competitive edge. SEMrush. SEMrush is a robust toolkit that includes a competitor analysis feature, offering insights into rivals' online strategies. It identifies top competitors, provides data on their keywords, backlinks, and advertising strategies, enabling users to leverage strengths and outperform the competition. SE Ranking. SE Ranking is a robust SEO tool that helps businesses analyze and comprehend their rivals' digital strategies, providing insights into SEO performance, keyword rankings, backlinks, and website optimization. It enables users to evaluate competitor strengths and weaknesses for targeted keywords, empowering them to make informed decisions. SpyFu. Yet another powerful competitor analysis tool that offers comprehensive insights into rivals' online marketing strategies, including organic and paid search tactics, keyword rankings, backlink profiles, and ad campaigns. Wapalizer. Wapalizer is a powerful tool for competitor analysis that reveals the technologies and marketing tools employed by your competitors' websites. It helps you gain insights into their tech stack and marketing strategies, enabling you to enhance your own website's performance and marketing efforts.